Advertising legend Piyush Pandey had died on Friday at the age of 70. Pandey had been suffering from an infection and his last rites had taken place in Mumbai today. Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan paid their respects at the last rites of ad man Piyush Pandey. He was dubbed as the soul of Indian advertising and was widely regarded as the man who gave Indian advertising its voice. He spent over 4 decades in the industry and is known for his taglines for major brands and his work for brands like Asian Paints, Cadbury, Fevicol and Hutch, among many more.
I'm here at Shivaji Park Cremation Ground where ad guru Piyush Pandey's immortal remains are kept for last respect and last rites. If we can see that lots of people are gathered here from film fraternity, from ad world and from his family, and people like Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan were there a few minutes ago and they have left, and lots of people are still coming. If we talk about Piyush Pandey, the importance of its ads is I can say that a different kind of ads he introduced to India, because before that the ads were influenced by Western world, and the best thing about his ad was that Piyush Pandey was not just an advertising man. He turned commercials into a form of storytelling. He showed us that even a simple line like "Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai" could capture the heart of entire nation. His slogans didn't just sell products, they connected with people. From the unbreakable bond of Fevicol to the simplicity of Chal Meri Luna, every campaign of his reflected India, its humor, its emotion, its spread. Piyush Pandey, I can say that he brought together emotion, entertainment and social conscience in advertising. A rare blend that made his work timeless. His words were rooted in everyday life. His style was distinct and heartfelt, Indian and real. Even after his passing, I can say that his laughter, his language and his lines live on in the hearts of millions who grew up with his work. Here in the Shivaji Park, people are waiting for his cremation, which will take place in some time. And if I talk about his awards, right from Padma Shri to Lions Award at Cannes, there were lots of awards and lots of, I can say, positions he got. Even the worldwide chief creative officer of the company in which he was working. So I would say he was a person who gave a different disha, or I can say that who gave a different language to Indian advertising world.